happening there?
Well, we're still waiting to hear whether Jean-Pierre Bemba has finally been released from prison, but at the moment we believe he's not. The International Criminal Court is saying that he is on International Criminal Court property, which is the detention centre behind me. This is where he's been held for 10 years since he was arrested in Belgium and transferred here to the International Criminal Court, where his initial trial for war crimes and crimes against humanity relating to those crimes, rape and pillaging, etc., in the Central African Republic in 2002 and 2003 occurred. He was acquitted last Friday of those charges, with the appeals chamber of the International Criminal Court saying simply that there was not enough substantial evidence to prove that it was his fault that his troops committed the crimes, although they do believe that the crimes were still committed. The court has affirmed that. But as you say, we're now waiting to hear whether he will be sentenced to a 5-year extended jail term for witness tampering relating to that initial case. But what's happened essentially is that he was initially sentenced to a year for that, and his defence team have been saying that he's served 4.5 years since that conviction in 2013, meaning that he's served already 4.5 times the maximum 5-year prison sentence. He also had co-defendants in that case, and during that trial for witness tampering, they were allowed out on bail, and that's why he's being released. Belgium has said that they will accept him, so he's going to be transferred back to where his family live, and at the moment the hold-up in releasing him is essentially to get those papers sorted, because when he was arrested in 2008 his papers were Portuguese. The big question now as well, however, is will he try to return to the Democratic Republic of Congo and resume his political career, reignite it, so to speak, because Joseph Kabila, the sitting president, has said that he will not sit in the upcoming elections in December, and that might open the doors for Jean-Pierre Bemba to return into political life. Having said that, his lawyer said that after 10 years in prison, his main ambition and main desire is just to return and see his family, which we expect to happen either today or latest probably tomorrow.
All right then, Jack, thanks very much for that update. That was Jack Parrock reporting from The Hague.